It's me again, and today I'm going to be making a tuft headboard for a bed I am making. The things you'll need today, I'm actually using some thick craft foam. I'm using it in black, and what you want to do is I have this shape, and I kind of just went all over the whole entire piece and marked where I wanted to put a hole, and just go ahead and mark the holes before I sew it. The next thing you'll need is some felt or fluff. I cut mine into the shape of the headboard, and you want to get some fabric that you like. I'm using this cream colored fabric because I want it to go with other bedding in the future if I make another comforter set for it. So, oh, you'll also need a needle and some strong thread. So let's get into it.